Hi there, my name is Nelson Castro and welcome back to our channel Super Memory. Today we're going to study present continuous tense, el tiempo presente continuo. Pues bien, el tiempo presente continuo, comúnmente cuando se nos explica, nos dicen que se refiere a una acción que se está realizando en este momento. Esa es la explicación cotidiana. Pero resulta que existen tres casos y no siempre se refiere a la acción realizada en este momento. También hay otros casos que se refieren a acciones que se llevan a cabo tanto en el pasado como en el futuro e incluyen, ¿sí?, todos esos tiempos y normalmente no lo sabemos. ¿Por qué? Porque no nos lo han explicado de esa manera. Pues bien, entonces les voy a explicar los tres casos, ¿sí? Muy importante los tres casos saberlos, ¿no? Los tres casos del presente continuo. Okay, I'm going to explain these cases in English, all right? Case number 1. Well, as we can see here, the explanation for the case number 1 of the present continuous tense. Case number 1 says, we use the present continuous tense when we talk about something which is happening at the time of speaking. Okay, I'm going to repeat it again. We use the present continuous tense when we talk about something which is happening at the time of speaking. It means that the action is being done at this moment, exactly right now, at this very moment. For example, I can say, I'm speaking English at this moment because I'm speaking at this moment. Or I could say as well, I'm drinking water because I'm drinking water right now, at this moment. It was not before, it was not in the future. I'm drinking the water at this very moment. Okay, this is the case that everybody knows. It's very easy to understand this case. Okay, so this case number 1, very easy to understand. Now we go to the case number 2. Well, mucha atención con este segundo caso porque es muy importante. Okay, case number 2. We use the present continuous tense when we talk about something which is happening around the time of speaking. Okay, listen again. We use the present continuous tense when we talk about something which is happening around the time of speaking. It means that it's not happening at this very moment, The action is not happening now. The action started, it refers to an action that started in the past, is being done in the present, or maybe yeah, maybe no, and gonna end up in the future time. An example of this is, I'm reading an interesting book. When I say I'm reading an interesting book, it doesn't mean that I'm reading the book at this moment, not necessarily, okay? Maybe I started reading the book last year, maybe last week, for example, yesterday, whatever, anytime in the past. At the moment I'm not reading it, but I haven't finished reading it, So maybe I'm gonna finish reading it in the future time, like let's say next week, next month, or whatever. So remember, case number 2, we use the present continuous tense when we talk about something which is happening around the time of speaking. Another action is, for example, I'm going to the gym, okay? I'm going to the gym, it doesn't mean I'm not going to the gym at this very moment, I'm here, but I went yesterday, and perhaps tomorrow I'm going again. So the action that I'm describing is not being done at this moment, okay? So this is case number 2. Another example, we can also say, I'm taking an English course, right? Somebody can say, I'm taking an English course. He's studying English. It doesn't mean that he's studying at this very moment. He started going to the academy, to school, whatever, in the past, anytime in the past, okay? Today maybe he's relaxing, and he's going again tomorrow or next week, and he's taking an English course. That's present continuous tense, case number 2, around the time of speaking. Not at this moment, around the time of speaking. Case number 2, very important case. Yeah? Case number 3. Okay, this is case number 3, okay? Case number 3 says that we use the present continuous tense when we talk about something which is happening in periods of time around the time of speaking. Periods of time. When I say periods of time around the time of speaking, I'm referring to special times of the year, like for example, Christmas, Easter, vacation, holiday, and so on. An example of this, next summer, we're going to Australia. Okay, next summer we are traveling, we're going to Australia. Okay, next summer we are. Next summer we're traveling to Europe. Okay, this is case number 3. You notice, yeah, you pay attention. Say next summer. The next summer is not now, maybe next summer is gonna be in 3 more months, whatever, is far away in the future, not at this moment, okay, next summer. But still, we can use the present continuous tense. Let's say another example. We are visiting our parents in Christmas. Vamos a visitar nuestros parientes en Navidad. We are visiting our parents in Christmas. So as you can see, there are 3 different cases in which we can use the present continuous tense. It's not only at this moment. Remember, we can use the present continuous tense at this moment, but also to situations that refers to the past and it's going to end up in the future and in periods of time around the time of speaking. Ok, si les gustó este video, por favor regálenos un like, suscríbanse. Activen la campanita para recibir las futuras notificaciones de los videos que iré para subir. Muchas gracias.